guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video we're going to be doing Camila's curly hair routine. So if you guys are interested in seeing her get her hair done, please like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So first I'm going to start off by spraying some detangling spray in her hair so that when I start washing it, it'll be easy for me to brush her hair. Next, I'm going to spray a little bit of water because her hair is kind of dry right now. Next, I'm going to use the SpongeBob 2-in-1 shampoo for kids and just put it all over her hair. And if you want to know where I got these products, I'll put it in the description box. Now I'm trying to wash off her shampoo from her hair and add a little bit of 3-minute Miracle Moist deep conditioner in her hair from Aussie. So now I'm using clean water to clean off her hair now and rinse off that deep conditioner for curls and shampoo out her hair. And yeah, Camila's gonna hop out the shower and we're gonna start by using grease. It's called Super Grow. I'm going to start out by parting her hair in the middle, and then we're going to just put 2 ponytails on her hair. And yeah, guys, that'll be it for her hair. Bye, guys.